So today I'm making stewed chicken, and I think you'll like this recipe. Let's get started. Okay, in this pot I have 6 skinless chicken thighs that is starting to slightly boil, which is good. And into this pot I have some chicken bouillon cubes, and this is just 5, and this is the one with herbs and spices. So you can just use just the plain ones if you like, but we're just going to drop these in here. This is 5. I'm going to add some minced garlic. If you don't have minced, just add fresh or powder or granulated, whichever you have, whichever you like to cook with. That's what you use. I'm going to add some butter, and this is as much or as little as you like, okay? That's about half of a stick. I have some celery flakes. Just gonna add a few because these are really, really potent, and they're delicious though. They seem like they're seasoned somehow. They have so much flavor. I'm just gonna add a bit. If I need more later, I'll add more. Gonna add some pepper. Love that pepper. I'm gonna add just a couple of red pepper flakes. Just a few. I have some onions that I have sliced up. Let's get those in there. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. That would have been probably like about half of a medium-sized onion. I have some Sazon. I'm going to add my Sazon in. I'm going to add a whole little packet. Let's get this going. You can't taste it because this raw meat is in here, so you're going to have to wait until it does its thing. My mouth all hanging open, excuse me. I have some poultry seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit of that. You have to be careful when you put your salted seasonings in there, because what I have found when I make this dish and you let it cook down and thicken slightly, that everything that you had with salt in it is settling down to the bottom and get really salty, so be careful. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to bring it to a boil. And then when it comes up to a boil, I'm going to turn it down to medium. And I'll be back. This broth is seasoned perfectly. So, yeah, yummy. I'm going to add some parsley for presentation, okay? Now we're going to make some gravy. You can use water or whatever you choose to use. I'm going to use some of this broth. Okay. Let's get this going. Fresh as gold. I don't want to use too much. It is delicious, like I said. Okay. I'm going to get this smooth, okay? Okay, we're going to thicken this little gravy in here. Do some at a time. Ooh, the chicken is so tender. Mm-hmm. I need it to be a little bit thicker. Let me see. I'm going to use this. Try not to break up my chicken anymore. This tastes so good. I still like it just a bit thicker. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell so that you'll be notified the next time that I upload a video. Comment and let me know that you stopped by. I greatly appreciate it. Probably could have cooked it about 15-20 minutes less because it's falling apart, but no less delicious. Please believe me. Mm-hmm. Gonna give it a taste. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna just take the broken pieces. Some of this delicious gravy. Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna sprinkle the pepper on top. And I have some broccoli. See, I cooked for 7 minutes, and I used some of the broth to cook it in. Did you see it? Mm-hmm. Is it delicious? Yes, it is. Let's give it a bite. Can't wait to see it again. Just gonna take a small bite. See how tender that meat is? That chicken, rather. Yep. Mm-hmm. That's so good and flavorful. Mm-hmm. 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 One more bite. I always say one bite and then I have to take another one. I can't help myself. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, you stay safe, you stay well, and you stay blessed. And remember that God loves you, and so do I. Later. Don't forget to pray.